guys, and welcome back. We are on Master 114 of Math. Now, today we're going to be talking about right angles, and I will be posting a little video about right angles on Dojo to watch. And we're going to be talking about different shapes that have right angles. Now, a right angle is where two sides meet at 90 degrees, or it's kind of like the perfect corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw some shapes here, and I'm going to show you two tricks that you can see if it has a right angle or not. So the first shape we're going to draw is actually a square, and we're going to do these 3 dots right here, right here. So 3 dots on every side. Don't forget to write your name. Okay. So now, this is how I'm going to see if a shape has a right angle. So the first trick is taking your ruler. Now, if I take my ruler and I put it inside, let me see if I can scoot this down. Put it inside the shape. If it matches up perfectly in a corner, that means that it has a right angle. Does it perfectly cover that corner and match up? Yes, it does. Let's see if it goes in this one. Yeah. Let's check this one. Yes. This one? Yes. So a square actually has 4 right angles. Now my other trick, if you don't have a ruler on hand, is just taking another piece of paper. So I'm going to take our phonics paper that we just used. I'm going to fold mine so you can see it a little bit better. And you're just going to take the corner of your paper and see if it does the same thing as your ruler. Does it meet up in that corner? Yes, it does. So that shows me that it has a right angle. All right, the next shape we're going to be talking about is a triangle. Now, not just any triangle, because not all triangles have right angles in them. So the only triangle is one that is straight down 3 lines. Then we're going to go out 4 lines. And then we're going to make these 2 lines meet. You can use your ruler if you like to make that a little bit straighter. So only this type of triangle will be a right angle, and I'll show you why. If I have this triangle right here and I do my ruler trick, does this fit perfectly in my corner? Yes, it does. Let's see if it fits perfectly in this corner. Ooh. I have a lot of extra ruler here. That does not fit. That is not a right angle. Let's see if it goes in this corner. Nope. I have a lot of extra ruler outside. So the only right angle in this triangle is right here. Now let's go ahead and take out a little scrap piece of paper real quick. And let's try a different triangle. So let's draw this triangle real quick. Does my ruler match up in any of those corners? It does not. I have lots of extra ruler in all of those. So that triangle won't work. Now there's also triangles, right, that will go like really skinny and upright, but they kind of have the same idea. Nope. That won't fit. So the only triangle is this one that my ruler will fit in perfectly, match up with those 2 lines right here. Remember where 2 lines meet? That's a corner or a vertex on a shape, right? Or vertex. So let's go ahead and go on to the next one. So my next shape we're going to be talking about is a rectangle. Now a rectangle, unlike a square, only has 2 sides that match up, that are the same, right? So I have 2 short sides that are the same. Boop, boop. And 2 long sides that are the same. Boop, boop. Where a square, all 4 sides are the same exact size. All right, let's check our rectangle here. I'll use my ruler trick. Does that match up? What do you guys say? Yep. What about this one? Yeah. Let's check this guy. Yes. Let's check this guy. Yes. Good job. All right, so now all 4 of these have right angles. My ruler trick worked in every single one of them. Now my last shape, we're going to draw a circle, and I'm going to try to do it in the middle right here. Oh, that's not a very nice circle. There we go. So there's my circle. Let's go ahead and try my ruler trick. Are there any corners to match up in a circle? No. So there are no right angles on a triangle. I mean, right angles on a circle, not triangle. No right angles. Because there's no corners on a circle, right? It's completely round. All right, so let's go ahead and go back through. We just measured all of these, checked them all out. We used our ruler trick and our paper trick. So how many right angles do I have on a square? Go ahead and shout it out. 4. So I'm going to write 4 right angles. I'm going to abbreviate it, RA. Let's go ahead and look at this triangle. How many little boxes did I draw to show 90 degrees? Just one. So I only have one right angle. Let's check our rectangle. How many 90-degree boxes did I draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4, just like the square. And I'll go ahead and write that down below here. So let's remember a right angle equals 90 degrees, meaning if I put my ruler in there as my trick, boop, 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 it matches up perfectly. So, and when I do know that it has 90 degrees, I do this special little box in it, and that tells me that all of those corners meet up to 90 degrees, meaning my 2 ruler sides can touch no problem. All right, so that is a right angle, guys. Like I said, I'll be posting a little YouTube video going into it again. And this is all you have for your Master 14. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.